I also champion cost plus projects. What these projects are, they give you complete financial transparency. You need to insist that your contractor builds your budget using all 16 construction categories. There are main construction categories and many subcategories that reflect the uniqueness of your project and the exact scope of your work. So your budget has to have all these line items. I mean, I have projects that have 300 line items, right? And then every month, when the contractor is asking for a payment, ask for an updated budget. So original budget, current budget, and by current budget, you are going to see all the fluctuations, right? You might say in the beginning, let's say you don't want to finish your wall with stone in your living room, right? But then you say, you know what, I think it's an important thing for me, but it is $10,000. So you need to change the line item that was for the stone by adding this $10,000, but then look in other areas of your budget, and there will be many where you could perhaps make other decisions to save this $10,000. So maybe you are going to choose less expensive appliances, right?
So you're using the same money, but you're just reallocating it as the scope of the work changes a little bit.
Yes, my clients say buckets. So you kind of dip into different buckets. So always insist with your contractor to give you an updated budget so that you always have the full financial transparency, and you can also make plans accordingly, because one of the columns of the budget report, so there is original budget, current budget, what was previously invoiced, what is currently invoiced, the sum of it, and then balance to completion. It's fantastic. It's not like, I have so many people telling me stories, Monika, I never saw any budget report. I never saw any complete invoice with the copies of the bills from all the subs that my contractor was doing. And I never knew from month to month how much money I will need to finish the project. That's insane. But this is what is actually happening in most projects, because people don't understand what they need to do and what they need to insist on from the professionals. So if you are an educated homeowner, you will not be taken advantage of, because you are going to say, okay, I expect from you the budget in 16 cost categories. I expect every month a budget report updated religiously, so that you are empowered to make decisions to stay within the budget that you are comfortable with.
Right, that's a conversation you need to have at the beginning
Absolutely.
when you're selecting the professionals to work with you, then you need to have that conversation right from the beginning that this is your level of expectation, that you're going to go through this line by line with them every month.